All right, welcome back. Here we are, 3 minutes later. I'm now going to give you instructions on how to do today's activities. I'm going to share my screen and I will walk you through step by step of what you need to do. Okay, so start by going to your courses, going to your Spanish class. Again, everything can be found right here in extended/virtual learning, which we are all enjoying very much, I'm sure. Once we get in there, we are now in week 3 between the 20th of April and 24th of April. And we're going to be doing the second lesson of the week, El 22 de Abril. All right, so again, the presentation notes are right here if you want to go back and look at the presentation. Other than that, I'm going to have you now work on practice identifying and replacing direct objects here. I have a PDF document that you will complete in Kami. So click Open Assignment with Kami. And it'll open up everything for us. And the instructions are really quite simple. We're going to be doing tres actividades, actividad A, B, y, C. All right. So on the top here, there are some notes to help you out. And then we have actividad A, B, y, C. The first one says underline the direct object. Remember that our direct object is the thing directly affected by the verb. So the first sentence is busco unos guantes nuevos. Okay, very good. So busco comes from the verb buscar. I'm looking for unos guantes nuevos, new gloves. Okay, so what am I looking for? New gloves. So it says to underline. So the easiest way to do that is just go into shapes, go into insert line, and whatever color you fancy, feel free to do that. I'm going to do blue. I'm going to underline this whole thing, unos guantes nuevos, because that's what I'm looking for, some new gloves. All right, so that's part A. Part B then says, write each noun you circled in part A, oh, it should be underlined actually, on the following lines. So for example, I'm now gonna write in here, so I underlined, why I don't want 48-point font. How about this? Unos guantes nuevos. We'll make it a little bit bigger, sorry about that. Beautiful. Now I need to determine if that's masculine or feminine. Okay, write M or F. So unos shows me that it's masculine. So it's masculine, and then it ends in an S, so it is plural. Beautiful. That's all that we had to do. Okay. Part C. Now I have to determine whether or not what direct object pronoun I'm going to use to replace that object. Okay. So because it is masculine and plural, I go back up to my top part here, or the chart in the presentation, and I know that I need to replace unos guantes nuevos con los. All right, so as I've done in the model already, we have guantes, which is masculine and plural, and then we replace it with los. Really, really quite simple. Okay. We'll do one more together really quickly so you get to see it. All right, let's look at number 2. So we go into shapes, underline, la dependienta, the saleswoman, vendió el perfume. So here's my subject, my verb. What did she sell? She sold perfume, el perfume. All right. We'll put a text box in here, make it again just a touch bigger. What did they sell? El perfume. Perfume is masculine. We see that by the article here. El, and it's singular this time. Perfume is singular. So we go down to number 2 down here, and because it is masculine and singular, we would replace it with lo. Easy does it. All right. So complete these 3 activities, A, B, y, C, and then up in the top right corner here, please click Turn In. Some of you are having issues with Kami. Complete the activity, and then click Turn In, and then click Turn In again, and everything will be perfectly fine. Okay. That is the instructions for today's activity. On Friday, we will do a little bit more practicing on where that they go in a sentence, okay? But for today, our focus is what is a direct object and what do we replace it with? Thank you very much. Let me know if you need any help.